Friends, once again here we are with personal pronouns. Today we are going to see what the personal pronouns are. First of all, we must know what are pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of a noun, right? So when I want to take the name of somebody, look in the following sentence. I don't take your name. I say you, right? I don't take my name also. I say to me in this way. So you and me are the two pronouns which we have used in this sentence. So generally what happens that if I want to say something about Raju, description. Raju is a good boy. Because Raju respects his parents and Raju studies hard. So something is irrelevant here. What? Raju, the name, repetitiveness of that name, right? So I use the word he in place of Raju, right? So he is the pronoun which should be a personal pronoun which should be used here, right? So what is the definition of pronoun then? A word which is used in place of or instead of a noun, right? So now, what are the uses of pronoun first of all? This is a basic idea of pronoun, and so far as the reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, those pronouns are concerned, we shall see to it later in the next video, right? So we use pronoun when we want to say the person is talking. Suppose I am talking. So whenever I say something, I use I or we or us or me in this way, right? If the person we are talking about means if we are talking about a third person, we say he, she, it, they. In the same way, in order to show possession, we say us, him, right, her, etc. And when we are talking to some person, we always refer him as you or yours in this way. So all these are the pronouns. Then we shall see what the persons are. Means in English language, first person, second person, and third person. What are they exactly? When I say I, we, us, our, me, my, etc. These are the first person, right? Or first person pronouns. Second person is the person whom the person talking to is referring. Means you or yours. And in the third person is the person who is not among I and you. That is he, she, it, they in this way. Okay. Then there are certain pronouns which are used as adjectives. These are the possessive pronouns, for example. Jesse, I saw his teacher. Teacher is a noun, and you know that the word which qualifies the noun is called adjective. So here the word his is used as an adjective. And you also know that it is also a pronoun, right? I saw his teacher. So possessive pronoun. What the possessive pronouns are? When I say this book is or belongs to mine. This mine is the word, right? It is all hers in this way, right? So hers is the pronoun. So here is a short exercise and we shall solve this exercise. One by one I will tell you what exactly we are going to use. Means the word in the bracket. Which word we are exactly going to use here and why we are going to use these words. Okay. The first sentence. Can you sing as well as they? Why they? Because we need a subject because a new sentence is starting after as well as, means the sentence is like, can you sing as well as I sing, in this way, right? Now the second sentence, my friend scored as many goals as they scored, in this way, means we are going to use they here, same like the first sentence. Rama and I were present. Why I? Because we need the pronoun used in place of a subject, right? Fourth sentence, between you and I. Between you and I do not believe him. So in this way, between you and me, I do not believe him, means I am going to write me here, right? And then why? Because it is a place of object, right? Now the next sentence, let you and me, means there's a let us, them, let us, you, let me, in this way, right? Means definitely we are going to use me, and let is the verb, so object, because it is the place of object, right? Now the next sentence, wait for Hari and me, definitely because it is the place of object. Me, why? Because it is the place of an object, right? Now the next sentence, your brother knows that, means your brother knows that as well as I know, in this way, means definitely a new sentence is starting, so we shall use I. Why? Because a new sentence is starting, right? Now here, whom can I trust if not him, right? So him, why? Because it is a place of object, right? Means whenever there is object, we use him, and when we make it as a subject, we use he, in this way, right? Now the next sentence, it was I, right? It was I that saved you from the insult, right? It was me is not, because it is a compliment, right? So it is compliment, and so we need I there. In the 10th sentence, next, he is known to me, he is known to my brother and me, right? Means he is known to me, we can say. Means in this way, me is right here. Why? Me is correct. Why? Because we need object as pronoun, right? So the next sentence, we are not as poor as they. Why? Because the new sentence is starting from as, means after as, means as they are, in this way, means we are not so poor or as poor as they are, in this way. Rama is as old as, in the same way, Rama is as old as I, not me. Why? Because after as old as, a new sentence is starting, and when a new sentence starts, means statement starts, you know that subject is used, means I is used, and if it is object, then me is used, right? So the 13th sentence, he is as good as I am, right? In this way, I is used here, right? Then nobody but he was present. And why he? Because after but means nobody, but is the preposition, nobody but he was present, and was is the helping verb. So sentence starts from the word which is used before was, right? And definitely him was present is not possible. So he was present, he is. We need the pronoun as a subject, right? And the last sentence, he and I were great friends, right? So we should not write I and he or you and I and you in this way. We always means if there are two persons we are talking about, he, she, it, they, and I. So we gave least preference to I, right? So here I is the answer, and the reason is because we need the pronoun as subject, right? So in the second part, I will tell you about the remaining part, means the other pronouns, right? So other types of pronouns. Thank you very much.